Sabihin tanga siya yung memory ko din. Darna!
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. So, my high school day is the thing that I consider as the most precious moment of my life. Why? Because my high school days, I think, like yours, full of hardships, joy. There are many assignments, homework, projects, full of activities, contests, and alike. And I joined many beauty pageants, beauty contests, quiz bees, artwork, essay contests. But the thing is, when I joined this contest, I feel proud of myself because I feel flattered because the teacher and my classmates chose me to be one of the participants of those contests. But in my life, in all struggles in my life, and all of the happiness that I experienced in my past life, and even today, and for the future, I considered my luckiest break at our graduation day. In our graduation day, they awarded me as President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo awardee, and they give me, I stand in front, in our theater, I stand in front of them, and they give me a part in a program in which I gave a speech. It's like a valedictorian address. So why do I consider this as my luckiest break? Because at that moment in my life, at that part, it was the first time that I cried in front of all of the crowd. I cried in front of my parents, giving all my feelings, giving all the hatred, giving all the things that they expect me to say during those times. And the moment I step up on that stage, I'm really proud of myself, and they